Okay, Shorty? Come. Shorty, paw. 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 Right. Nicely done. Shorty, paw. Come here. Paw. Shorty, paw. Paw. Shorty, paw. Right. You like this foot better, don't you? Come on. We'll take it. Shorty, paw. Hey, Teresa. Shorty, paw. Okay, getting a little enthusiastic about this. Shorty, spin. Good girl. Paw. Paw. Here. Oh, you're crazy. Spin. Nope, you gotta spin. Good girl. Shorty. No, Shorty, this way. Through. Good girl. Shorty, up. Up, up. Nicely done. Shorty. This. Up, up. That was nice. That was a good one, honey. Here, have a whole bunch. Wanna work on through the legs? Shorty, through. Yay! That was fun. Can you go this way? It's gonna be crazy. I know, we only like to spin one way. Shorty, come touch. Okay, well that wasn't ideally what I wanted, but that was nice. Shorty, touch. We're gonna have to build it up gradually. Shorty, through. Oh. Through. Shorty, touch. Thank you. That wasn't what I wanted. Come, touch. Yes, I know we like to go one way. What? Bang? No. Down. Up. Shorty. Oh, that's fun. Shorty. Up, up. Come on. Up, up. That's it. I'm going to work on your English. Spin. Shorty, touch. One more. Shorty, through. Through. Sit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is what I asked you. Shorty. Well, that was a nice big circle. Can you do a paw? Can you target? Come on. There, that was good. Does your brain hurt? My brain hurts. Here, take a break.